Web Accessibility Guidelines, a guide to making content accessible. Digital technology lets us do lots of really cool stuff like shopping, banking, sharing, and communicating. Our customers have many choices, from mobile devices, tablets, to desktops, to consume the content we offer on sce.com. Part of our mission as a company with an online presence is to create a user experience that is engaging and friendly for all visitors. For ethical, commercial, and legal reasons, all content published on sce.com must comply with Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.0 AA, also known as Wcag. Designing with Wcag in mind at the start of a project helps to ensure that we do not exclude anyone, including those who may have color blindness, visual and hearing impairments, cognitive issues, or physical handicaps. To meet the Wcag standards, it's important to understand the 4 key principles. They are: perceivable, ensure that content can be perceived in multiple ways and can be transformed so that a user can see, hear, or touch the content. Operable, ensure that the content can be navigable using various input methods. Understandable, ensure the content is understandable in clear, simple language and consistent navigation. Robust, ensure content works across different browsers, operating systems, and mobile devices. Think of POUR to help remember them. Here are tips and best practices when designing for accessibility. Tip 1. Design pages so that content follows a logical reading order. Each page needs a title and should be organized using headings, paragraphs, and lists. Add markup to allow easy navigation and explain features to users who cannot see them. Tip 2. Make links short, descriptive, and stand out from surrounding text. Let the user know what will happen, such as downloading a file or going to another site. Tip 3. Always let users know where they are and how to skip content by creating alternative routes. Tip 4. Be sure that any action that can be done on a mouse can also be done through a keyboard alone. Those users who can only use a keyboard should be able to navigate using the Tab key, Enter, Space, and arrow buttons. Tip 5. Use tools to test if there is enough color contrast between text and background so that the content is easy to see and read. Make sure that the contrast ratio is at least 4.5 to 1. Do not rely on color alone to communicate a message. Consider including a pattern overlay to help colorblind users read and understand charts and graphs. Tip 6. Provide alt text for images that are important and convey a meaning. If the image is decorative, then use alt text null so a screen reader can skip the descriptive text. Tip 7. Be sure to make text resizable. A user must be able to resize text up to 200% with no loss of content usability. Tip 8. Do not use flashing content, as this can cause seizures. Don't set audio or video to play automatically. Instead, allow the users to stop, pause, and start video and audio. Make sure to include captions, descriptive audio, and text transcripts to video content. Tip 9. Any PDF, Word doc, Excel, or PowerPoint that is for our customers also needs to be designed so that it is Wcag compliant. Tip 10. If a web page times out before a user has completed a task, this can be frustrating. Give warning and allow the users to extend the session. We can't cover all the specific requirements in this video. Please check out our Wcag style guide to learn more and get resources for tools and checklists.